Let's do the headstand part of the day. I'm gonna whip out my 100 reps standing on my head. It's day 37 of my latest 100-day 100 rep challenge. And I like to do some goal stacking, stand on my head and whip out my 100 reps and do a little stretching all at the same time. It's called efficiency. And silliness. Also right now I'm just wasting time, aren't I? It's alright. Maybe, yeah. 99, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 90, 89, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 80, 79, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 70, 69, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 60, 59, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 50, 49, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 40, 39, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 30, 29, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There you have it. 100 reps. Short and sweet and to the point. Don't forget to do what you got to do. Keep your agreements with yourself. Love yourself a little bit more because you're worth it. Stay curious and courageous, fit and free. I'll be seeing you. Oh, yeah. Like and subscribe, why don't you? Thanks. Ciao for now.